Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this boring paddu as something special. Maybe I'll put some eggs on it. Let's see how it comes. So I'm using this for omelette mix, onions, coriander and some chilies. So I'm preparing omelette mixture. Maybe next time I'll try with some tomatoes. I'm just putting a pinch of salt for the omelette mixture, of course. Little turmeric. That's it. That's all. That's enough. I'm mixing it before putting eggs.
There is like what?
There is the egg. Varun is showing egg. So I'll break eggs and put it inside. Varun will mix it. Oops. One. And the second one. Varun, can you please help me mix it? Okay, thank you. I'll take it from here.
Don't please splash cloth.
Okay, now it's ready. Good to go. Let's put it in paddu. Switching on the gas. And some oil goes in. Okay, I'm putting some paddu mix. Half I'll put.
Half and half and half.
Next I'll put my egg mix.
Put paddu में mix कर up. My papa, that's it only you have to put. Otherwise, mix.
So I just turned it upside down. So there is still space. I'll put some more egg mixture. Just put it everywhere and then you can cut and flip it when you are flipping. It looks amazing. Let me flip it and I'll come back. You can see here I'm just cutting and trying to flip it. Okay, so it will easily cut because this is an egg. Just make sure it looks round on the place, round and pretty. So make sure you put gas to flame and it won't burn. It's just an effort. Now how it comes. Let's see. Make sure it is fried from all the sides.
Then we have to put it in the bowl.
Yes. We will put it. We will put that. So it looks nice. I'll just switch off as of now the gas. Okay. I think these are done. I'll remove it and put it in a bowl. It looks like a small golf balls.
Then we have to put chutney.
So these are the egg paddus and these are the normal paddus. You can difference. This taste also good. And just put chutney.
I told you.
Okay, this looks good.
Green.
So let me take a few pictures and then I'll come back and yeah, I think it tastes good. So let me know in the comment. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.